Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel and little update on Windows 10 X and a little rant also at the same time, I would guess. So of course Windows 10 X is the first version of Windows that's going to come out this year. What you see here is part of the leak of Windows 10 X with the Action Center, a simplified system. And my first rant, because this cannot run Win32 apps, that means you can't go and download Google Chrome, for example, and install it. Doesn't work. And you can't get anything from the store. Doesn't work. What I would like to say, first of all, is why does Microsoft keep calling something that doesn't run standard Windows apps Windows? They clearly would need to have another name. We have our first big mistake with that, which was Windows RT. And I saw some of that here. When I started my channel, Windows 8 was dominant. Well, was the version of Windows that was being shipped. And Windows 8 came with Windows RT. And people see Windows and just think, well, it's Windows. It's going to run my favorite programs. And of course, a lot of people bought that. A lot of people got got hit hard by seeing that apps didn't work. And they couldn't understand why also, because people buying Windows RT didn't understand that it's a different system. Which means it should not have been called Windows in the first place. Then the second problem that happened with that is that now we're at Windows 10 X, called Windows, but that doesn't run Windows apps. Mistake once again. If anybody buys something with this Windows, once again, they're getting, screwed because there's no possibility to run their favorite programs. And that is a big problem. And this is why Windows 10 X should not be called Windows. The other thing is that I've seen a lot of demos and a lot of places where they are showing the leak. And by the way, we call it a leak, but it's kind of an intentional leak because what is happening is we're noticing that it was posted on a Microsoft public server that is often monitored by enthusiasts, which simply means that Windows 10 X was put there intentionally so that we can see it and can talk about it. One of the things that come out of the general usage is that it actually does not have very good performance, which is kind of funny because you got to think that this thing is a light or stripped down version of Windows 10. Should actually run real fast. It actually doesn't really run that well. And one of the things that everybody's saying is, well, next year, if they do put Windows or Win32 app containers, better run better than that. And the speculation is there also. Why Win32 apps are not in there? It's because the performance is too bad. So they couldn't, if they would have added Win32 containers to run your favorite programs, it would have run too slow. So that is something that is kind of weird and kind of shows that this needs more work. I don't know. It's clearly a Chromebook competition, but you look at it and you're just thinking, why are you actually wasting your time building this thing? And why aren't you just putting more people to the standard Windows 10 and make it better? I think that is the general idea here, that it's a waste of time more than anything else. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.